Certol International ProEZ Competitor Enzyme Challenge. Certol ProEZ 1 and ProEZ 2 versus Ruhof Endozyme SLR. Developed by Certol International. Developing the solutions for you. Superior cleaning, dramatic results with ProEZ enzyme solutions from Certol. Both ProEZ 1 single enzyme and ProEZ 2, Certol's true dual enzyme, provide superior cleaning and protection to valuable instruments while saving your facility money. ProEZ enzyme solutions utilize a team of chemical agents that work more effectively and protect instruments better than other brands, including Endozyme SLR by Ruhof. Let's see just how well Certol detergents stack up against the competition. These raw eggs represent protein soils commonly associated with blood. Each solution is poured into a container with an egg, starting with water, which is used as a control for the experiment. For this challenge, Endozyme SLR, a 5-enzyme from Ruhof, is pitted against ProEZ 1, Certol's single enzyme, and ProEZ 2, Certol's true dual enzyme, which attacks both protein and starch soils. After 4 hours, the result is amazing. Both ProEZ 2 and ProEZ 1 outperform Endozyme SLR, breaking the yolk as the enzymes literally dissolve the egg. Designed as a system to work effectively with other agents in solution, Certol's enzymes work more effectively at the same dilution and protect delicate instrumentation better than Ruhof solutions. Try ProEZ 1 or ProEZ 2 for yourself. Start your free trial today by calling Certol Customer Service at 1-800-843-3343. Developed by Certol International. Developing the solutions for you.